Welcome back to Yahoo Finance. You're probably seeing a lot of action on the T-Mobile ticker page on the Yahoo Finance platform. That's after a really good quarter by T-Mobile. I'm down here at the New York Stock Exchange with T-Mobile CEO Mike Sievert. Mike, good to see you. It feels like I just saw you, but maybe not.
Once a quarter, Soz. Great to see you, man.
Good to see you. It's a really big quarter. You just got off your earnings call. What are some of the top takeaways for investors?
Well, it's just a fantastic performance across the board. You know, we beat on top line growth, total revenues, service revenues, 7% on postpaid service revenues, by far the industry's best, 9% on EBITDA, 3 times the growth rate of our principal competitors, and 54% year-over-year growth in cash flow. And it's all on the strength of the biggest Q2 in company history when it comes to postpaid net additions.
We watch a lot of economic signals at Yahoo Finance, as you can imagine. Consumer confidence is struggling, consumers pulling back on various purchases, but they're still hanging on to their phone. I mean, is the economy just not that bad?
Well, phones are just that essential, and we have lots of ways we look at this. One, are people switching to us? Are they buying actively? Now, you do see upgrade rates have moderated in the industry, and so people are keeping their phones a little longer. That might be a sign. But one thing we look at is the bad debt rate, 1.4% this quarter, industry best. A lot of people don't give us credit for the fact that T-Mobile customers are better payers than AT&T or Verizon customers, and we're seeing normative rates of bad debt from before the pandemic.
You're a hell of a smack talker. You're just taking market share from AT&T and Verizon.
Well, what we're trying to do is grow the overall company, and certainly that's been one of the ways we've done it. But also the industry continues to grow. I mean, my principal competitors both also outperformed expectations on nets. So we're competing in a very healthy overall industry. I think that's a good thing. That's good for consumers because the values are some of the best you've ever seen. 5G has allowed people to have 4 times more data than just 5 years ago and triple the speeds for about the same price. And so everybody's a winner.
Is that 5G moment finally here? Feels like we heard about it like 4 or 5 years prior. Is now that it's having that moment and you're able to push through higher prices because this stuff is just so damn good?
Well, what we're able to do is attract people to T-Mobile because 5G was a catalyst for T-Mobile to leapfrog everyone and get the best network. And people want a great network because wireless connectivity is so important. But yeah, we're living through that 5G dividend. Again, if you've got a world where all the major players are producing fantastic cash flow, but consumers are winning with a price per unit, a price per gig, that's a third of what it was 5 years ago. They're using way more data and consuming it way faster than ever before for similar prices to 5 years ago. So they're winning, we're winning, but T-Mobile's winning most of all.
I talked to a top executive, one of your competitors, not going to name their name. I asked him, are you excited about the new AI iPhone? And they said, well, we really don't worry about the upgrade cycle. But are you excited about this AI iPhone? Will it power, I guess, higher bills for consumers? Will it spur, and what does a higher upgrade or a faster upgrade cycle mean for you guys?
Well, we're excited about AI because we know our customers are excited about AI. It's what everybody's talking about. And this isn't just about having something recite you some poems or make you a goofy picture. This is, essentially about having an assistant to help you run your life. And so we were really excited about what Apple foreshadowed at their announcement. I think it's going to be an exciting launch. That being said, a lot of the capabilities are good on your current phone too. So we'll see how much it drives an upgrade cycle. And for us, we're ready either way. If there's a big upgrade cycle, that's a share-taking opportunity for us. But if upgrade rates stay low, well, that's a chance for us to remain very efficient. And so either way, we're ready to compete.
I think you've surprised a lot of investors. You've surprised me, Mike, making a lot of acquisitions. I mean, you're working on another one because I think they're coming a little bit out of left field, but they're like transforming your company in a big way.
Well, one of the things I said on my call this morning is that no, we're not currently in any deep engagements on another one because these have been coming kind of rapid fire. But that's because we have a pretty clear strategy now that you can discern from the announcements that we've made. We are a fiber player. We want to be in fiber, and we want to be in best-in-class pure play assets. That's our bias. And so you saw us with our recent announcement to collaborate with KKR to acquire Metronet. That is the fastest growing pure play wireless fiber company in the country, and arguably the most important pure play fiber asset. And so we wanted to partner with them, and we're delighted now to be on a business plan to go past 6.5 million homes by 2030.
Fascinating to see this T-Mobile reinvention. Mike Sievert, always great to get some time with you.
Thanks, Soz.
I'll talk to you soon. Be good. All right, we'll be right back on Yahoo Finance, talking a lot more tickers, finance, economy, that's what we do. See you guys soon.